Hi, this is Ivy from Austin Training, and this video is to show how to assemble the chamber. Okay, we can see here. All of the connectors, we have the notice on the top of the connectors. We just need to put the correct tube into the correct connector. That's okay. All the tube we have the notice. Okay, we can see this one is water out. Okay, we can find this water out. Okay, we need to make sure it is on the bottom. And this one is the water in. Yes, and water in. And this one is also called the waste bottle, the condensate connector. This one is the condensate connector, this bottle. Okay, here we can see this one is the water in. And we need to put on this connector. Water in. And this one is the water out. And this one is the cable for the air conditioner. This one is the DC power. This one is DC power. And this connector is 12 volt connector. So we need to find the 12 volt. Here. And this one is 24 volt connector. 24. This one is the air concentrator. Here we can see this cable is the communication connector. This one is communication connector. So we need to connect this one. Okay, we can see here the notice, and we can find the same notice, pressure detection connector, and the oxygen concentrator, and the pressurization connector, and the pressure maintaining connector, and the cabin environment detection connector. And this one is the pressure relief connector. Okay, here on the cabin body, the chamber body, we can see the notice, and this one is the pressurization connector. And this one is the pressure maintaining connector. And the communication connector. And this one is the DC 12 volt connector. And this one is 24 voltage connector. Okay, oxygen connector. And this one is the pressure relief connector. And the pressure detection connector. And this one is the cabin environment detection connector. Okay, this one is the water air conditioner, so we need to put the water into this one. And we can see this is water injection. We can use this bottle, this condensate connector, to put the water into the machine. We need to put the pure water. and then connect it. And we remember to open the exhaust port. Okay, after the water is full, the water will come out. You can see the water already come out from this tube. You can see the water will come out from the exhaust port. If the water is enough, it will come out from this one. And then we can close it. If you use this bottle to put the water, and you need to and then connect it again. Okay, this one is the air conditioner outdoor unit, and we can see here this voltage is 220 to 240, so we need to use the transformer if your local voltage is 110. Okay, here we can see this one is the 110 voltage transformer. Okay, that is okay. And click here to start. This one can use it on your local voltage. Just only this one use the transformer.